What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's check out this super shorty, stylish pen. I just discovered this pen company, and you can see their website here, ti2design.com, and that's because they use a bunch of titanium in their pens. This one is their Techliner, and I believe it's called the Mini, or the Shorty, because, as you can see, it's pretty short. It's actually quite a bit shorter than most regular pens. For example, here's a typical pen that you might have out there, and you can see. So it's really nice and convenient to have something this small. And I will also say, first of all, it's got this beautiful gunmetal bead blasted finish. It doesn't show fingerprints on it or anything like this. The clip here is titanium, so it's pretty light and it's very strong, but large enough with a nice kick up here so that you should be able to get it on any shirt pocket. It's got a beautiful twisted rifling on the end there. And you can see how the back end here tapers, and you have a little bit of a metal plate right there. And that's because this thing is magnetic. So this cap here, you can see how it looks symmetrical almost. This cap here is held on by magnets. You can see the fluting here matches. So it's kind of a bead blasted look inside the fluting lines there, which should give you a nice grip. And the cap here is interesting because you can see in there, I think it's a round rare earth magnet. So it is drilled through the middle there, and that allows this pen nib to get in the middle, and so it'll stay on there and just goes on like that and will not fall off. Now, it will also attach magnetically to the back end, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. And we can just try writing right here. Ooh, look at that. So smooth. It's like a fine liner. And I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew this because I'm sure you're interested in what this looks like. Okay, so this whole cap comes off, the threading is attached to the cap, and there we have it. All right, so it's like rollerball, or the Pilot. I think it's the Pilot G2 refill here, and you can get these anywhere. But what you might be able to see here is if I put this back in, the pen is just about big enough to hold the refill. So there's really no wasted space, which I really like. Efficiency is the name of the game. And even though it's really efficient, it's got great weight, great feel. It's beautiful. And I love this little magnetic cap. Feels so good, feels so solid, sticks on there really, really well. Hey, got a little ink on my finger. Hey, if you want to pick up this pen, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.